Hello everyone, welcome to the future of social media marketing. Today we are diving into the dynamic world of social media marketing agencies, exploring the cutting-edge trends, technological marvels and strategic innovations that are shaping the landscape. From the rise of augmented reality to the influence of artificial intelligence, buckle up as we embark on a journey into the exciting realm where creativity, technology and consumer engagement collide. Get ready to unlock the secrets of tomorrow's digital marketing success as we delve into the intricate tapestry that is the future of SMMA. Let's dive in. Social Media Marketing Agency is a business entity specializing in providing comprehensive social media marketing services to businesses, brands, and individuals seeking to enhance their online presence and reach their target audience. This type of agency is dedicated to leveraging the power of various social media platforms, including but not limited to Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and TikTok, to create and execute effective marketing strategies. The primary goal of an SMMA is to help clients but build brand awareness, engage with their audience, generate leads, and include social media management, content creation, paid advertising, analytics and reporting, and overall digital marketing consultation. These agencies stay abreast of the ever-evolving landscape of social media, adapting their strategies to leverage new features, algorithms, and emerging trends. In essence, SMMA plays a crucial role in helping businesses navigate the dynamic world of social media, enabling them to establish a strong online presence and connect with their target audience in a meaningful way. Now let's talk about how to start a social media marketing agency in 2024. Understand the industry. Stay updated. Subscribe to reputable industry newsletters and blogs to receive timely updates on changes in social media algorithms, new features, and emerging trends. Join online communities, forums, and groups where professionals in the digital marketing and SMMA space will share insights and experiences. Competitor research. Analyze case studies of successful SMMA campaigns to understand the strategies that yield positive results. Identify competitors in your niche and study their approaches, strengths, and weaknesses to refine your own strategy. Define your target audience. Conduct thorough market research to identify your ideal clients based on demographics, interests, and pain points. Discover your service's marketing efforts to meet the specific needs of your target audience. Develop necessary skills. Master ad platforms. Dive deep into the intricacies of powerful advertising platforms like Facebook ads, Instagram ads, LinkedIn ads, and others. Stay updated on platform changes, new ad formats, and targeted options to maximize the effectiveness of your campaigns. Content creation skills. Hone your skills in graphic design, video editing, and copywriting to create visually appealing and engaging content. Experiment with different content formats to discover what resonates best with your target audience. Analytics and data interpretation. Learn how to set up and interpret analytics data from various platforms to measure campaign performance. Utilize data to make informed decisions, optimize campaigns, and demonstrate the value of your services to clients. Create a business plan. Define niche and market. Clearly articulate your agency's niche and the specific market segment you aim to serve. Understand the unique challenges and opportunities within your chosen niche. Services offered. Outline the core services your agency will provide, such as social media management, advertising, content creation, analytics reporting, and more. Consider specializing in specific areas to distinguish your agency from competitors. Pricing strategies. Research industry pricing benchmarks and set competitive rates from your services. Develop tiered packages to accommodate different clients' budgets while providing flexibility and scalability. Business goals. Establish realistic short-term and long-term business goals that align with your agency's vision. Define key performance indicators that will be used to track and measure success. Legal considerations. Business registration. Choose a suitable legal structure for your agency, such as limited liability company or sole proprietorship. License and permits. Legal considerations. Business registration. Choose a suitable legal structure for your agency, such as limited liability company or sole proprietorship. Complete the necessary paperwork and register your business with the appropriate authorities. License and permits. Research and obtain any required licenses or permits to legally operate your SMMA in your jurisdiction. Ensure compliance with local regulations to avoid legal issues down the road. Contracts. Develop comprehensive contracts that clearly outline the scope of services, payment terms, timelines, and expectations. Consult with legal professionals to ensure your contracts are legally sound and protective of both parties. Build your online presence. Professional website. Create a user-friendly website that showcases your agency's services, portfolio, team members, and contact information. Optimize your website for search engines to increase visibility. Optimize social media profiles. Ensure consistency in branding across all social media platforms. Optimize profiles with professional and engaging descriptions, visuals, and contact information. Content strategy. Develop a content strategy that aligns with your brand and resonates with your target audience. Regularly update your website and social media channels with high quality, relevant content to establish credibility and attract potential clients. Network and build relationships. Attend events. Attend industry events, conferences, and local networking meetups to connect with peers and potential clients. Actively participate in discussions and build relationships with professionals in your field. Online networking. Engage in online networking through social media platforms and professional forums. Share insights, participate in relevant conversations, and contribute to the community to build your online presence. Provide value. Offer value to your network by sharing knowledge, resources, and insights. Establish yourself as a helpful and reliable source within your industry. Offer value through content. Content sharing. Share a mix of curated and original content on your social media channels that demonstrates your expertise. Keep your audience informed about industry trends, news, and best practices. Educational resources. Develop in-depth content such as ebooks, guides, and white papers that provide valuable information to your audience. Use these resources as lead magnets to capture content information for potential clients. Webinars. Host webinars or workshops on relevant topics to showcase your agency's expertise. Encourage audience interaction and use these events to build brand authority. Develop your service packages. Service definitions. Clearly define each service your agency offers, specifying the scope of work for social media management, advertising campaigns, and content creation. Tiered packages. Create tiered price services packages that cater to different client needs and budgets. Clearly communicate with the value and benefits of each package, making it easy for clients to choose the right option for them. Pricing structure. Set transparent pricing based on the flexibility of services, expected results, and industry standards. Marketing and lead generation. Digital marketing strategies. Implement a robust digital marketing strategy to generate leads for your agency. Utilize a mix of social media advertising, content marketing, and search engine optimization. Self-advertising. Showcase your agency's success stories through targeted social media ads. Use your own agency as a case study to demonstrate your capabilities. Now let's talk about the future of social media marketing agencies. The future of social media marketing agencies is poised for dynamic and multifaceted transformations driven by the technological advancements, evolving consumer behaviors, and the continuous evolution of digital platforms. One notable trend is the increasing integration of social media marketing agencies into broader digital marketing strategies, with a focus on seamless omni-channel experiences. As social media platforms evolve, incorporating features like augmented reality and virtual reality, SMMA is likely to explore novel and immersive ways of storytelling to captivate audiences. Artificial intelligence is expected to become a cornerstone, enabling social media marketing agencies to define audiences targeting, automate routine tasks, and derive deeper insights through advanced data analytics. Moreover, the future of SMMA may witness a diversification of platform preferences, with agencies adapting strategies to include emerging and niche platforms that resonate with specific target demographics. Collaboration with influencers who have become influential content creators on social media is likely to continue, emphasizing the importance of authentic and relatable brand messaging. Personalized marketing strategies leveraging data-driven insights will be integral in delivering tailored content to segmented audiences, fostering stronger connections between brands and consumers. And that's what wraps on the future of social media marketing. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the evolving landscape of SMMA, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on the latest industry insights. Feel free to drop your thoughts and predictions in the comments below. We would love to hear from you. Until next time, stay ahead of the curve, stay creative, and keep conquering the digital frontier. Thanks.